Guys, what is up? Welcome back for our next episode of Animals Under Fire. My name is Garmezy. If you're just joining us for the first time ever, I am a professional glass artist based here in Richmond, Virginia, and really exciting episode for you. We are going to be traveling to Chicago, Illinois to work with Ben Tullman and the Ignite crew. This will be fourth time doing these collaborations. Ben is a fantastic artist, does a lot of Italian style murrine work, a lot of color, a lot of patterning. And me, if you guys know my work, I do a lot of animal sculpting, and sometimes the color can take a back step to the actual sculpture. But for Ben, it's all about the color and less about the form at the end. So for this piece, we're gonna actually be working on a neon glass cobra. So the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna be rolling up one of his patterns to make a basket shape, and then we're gonna be putting a hole in the top, and then I'm gonna make a clear glass cobra that will be attached to it hot, and hopefully the gas, when pumped into this piece, will flow into the basket form and then also flow into my cobra head at the top. So it should be an interesting ride, to say the least. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our neon cobra come to life. Roll it! All right, guys, so that wraps up our neon glass Cobra. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to us that you would take the time to watch what we're so passionate about doing. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below, share it with your friends and family. And next week, we're gonna be putting together the lion body and putting that head that I made a while back onto the body. So it wasn't just a head. I know that was a creepy video, but it wasn't that creepy. Wasn't that creepy. We're gonna be putting that head on the body. It's gonna be awesome. Join us next time, Animals Under Fire. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Later, guys. We did veto your color. Putting the electrode on.